I haven't been working out for about 3 months and I'm going to start again, but before I start I want to give myself a helping hand. I'm going to eliminate fat around my waist, on my front, on my side, and hopefully a little bit on my back. And the procedure I'm going to have is not liposuction, it is not cool sculpting, which is quite painful, it's not injections to dissolve the fat. It's a high frequency ultrasonic electrical impulse which destroys the fat cell walls. It's so cold. It's so cold.
미안해요. 어떡해. 손 씻고 왔어.
Before the treatment, you will have a body composition analysis and the nurse will measure your waistline. Although the measurement shows 100 centimeters, we measured it at 99 centimeters because of the way she had to hold the tape measure. The best way to measure is with the belly pushed out in the position it would normally be after you exhale. Here, you can see the different angles of the body before treatment and also the amount of fat in different areas. Renovo Skin Clinic's UF system uses non-thermal physical focused ultrasound NTPFU generated from a ceramic transducer with high frequency, targeting the depths under the skin without any damage to tissues, vessels, or nerves. The resulting cavitation and air bubble created in the focal zone will then burst with pressure to destroy the fat cell membrane, causing the fat layer to reduce. After the fat cell is destroyed, neutral fat is expelled safely through the liver and converted into energy. It takes up to 14 days for the fat to completely be processed out of the body and 3 to 4 weeks for full elimination of fat cell residue. The results are fast and permanent, in that the fat cells are destroyed forever. This doesn't mean that the fat won't come back in the area if you are unhealthy and don't exercise, but it does mean those fat cells will be gone permanently. There are no burns and no damage of any kind to your body. There is no pain and no downtime. This treatment can be done on the arms, abdomen, love handles, hip line, and thighs. You should continue to eat regularly healthy meals, drink at least 2 liters of water per day, avoid beef or pork and fried foods for 2 weeks after treatment. Go with chicken breast or fish if you need meat products. And you should walk and do some kind of exercise for 30 minutes a day for better results. The animation you are seeing on the screen is showing how the Renovo system works. Renovo's UF system targets the fat between the skin and muscle to destroy the fat cell walls. It is completely safe as no internal damage is caused to nerves nor blood vessels. The pressure created through the system literally causes the fat cell walls to burst and break down. The fat then starts to be processed out of the body through the liver, as we mentioned earlier. Over the next 2 weeks, the results will continue to improve as more and more fat is processed through the liver and converted into energy. During Tony's treatment, he was joined by 2 visiting Americans from New York who were interested in seeing how Renovo's UF system works. As you can see, because there is no pain or discomfort, you can comfortably have conversations, look at your phone, or simply relax and enjoy the treatment. The machine is moved from area to area and back again to ensure complete destruction of the fat cells in the target zone. Treatment normally takes about 40 minutes. Here you can see before and after photos of patients who have tried this system. These patients receive treatments in 2-week intervals, either 2 or 3 times each. The treatment is counted in shot form, and the full amount of shots is usually 1200 to 1600 shots for the midsection, with legs being about 600 to 1200 shots. This treatment will not remove as much fat as traditional liposuction does. Renovo Skin Clinic does traditional mini or full liposuction as well. This treatment is intended for patients who cannot or do not wish to undergo surgery to remove fat. For example, patients with illnesses such as diabetes often cannot undergo liposuction but can undergo this treatment as it is non-surgical. Other patients who are not ready for full liposuction or who do not need full liposuction can undergo this treatment. It is important to have the right expectations when doing this treatment. It will dissolve and destroy fat cells in the target area. It will reduce the measurement around the area that has been done. It will not reduce your weight. Liposuction is also not intended for weight loss. It will not eliminate as much fat as can be taken out with liposuction. A single session makes a notable difference, but best results happen with 2 or 3 sessions. Again, it is important to use this procedure as a motivator for a healthier lifestyle with the right diet and exercise. If you eat unhealthy foods and don't exercise, you will continue to accumulate fat on your body. This treatment does not prevent fat from forming in the future due to an unhealthy lifestyle. No treatment can do that.
I've just completed 1,200 shots and it didn't hurt at all. It was very relaxing. I didn't feel any pain. It just feels like not even a tingling sensation, like half of what a tingling sensation would be like. They measured me again and I may be wrong, but it seems that it has gone down about like 4 or 5 centimeters or something like that around my waist. That's pretty amazing if that's true. I'm gonna have to check the video afterwards, but I think that that's what happened. I'm gonna stand up now and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna like try to push my stomach out as much as I can. I literally can't push out my stomach as much as before. I was trying to, but it feels different. So I'm gonna stand up and show you. So I'm not like moving my stomach in. I'll make it tight. So that's what my stomach would be if it was tight. This is how it is normal. And this is how it is if I push it out as much as possible. When they were doing it, when they were measuring me, I was actually trying to push out my stomach, so my stomach was at this level. Because that's the level I was originally measured at, with my stomach pushed out. So once again, if I hold it in, it goes like that. That's normal, and that's if I push it out. So it, you know, I still have fat inside, but the amount that it got reduced is pretty amazing for a single session. So yeah, I like it. This is a different angle. I just want to show you again. This is with my stomach being, you know, sucking it in. This is with my stomach normal, and this is with my stomach like pushing it out as much as possible. One more time from the side, sucking it in, normal, and pushing out as much as I can. So I see a difference.